Hi, welcome to my channel. The current video about Mana. Augmented reality cryptographic money. Decentraland's Mana costs collided with a 6-month low over the course of the last month as security issues on the advanced stage darkened viewpoint for the venture. On 3 May, Decentraland said it had fixed a security issue connected with its advanced stages land contract, which was accounted for on 12 March. A security specialist announced a basic weakness of Decentraland's land shroud agreement, which permitted anybody to move land without the resource's proprietor consent. As indicated by Decentraland, this issue was fixed in no less than 2 hours of it being affirmed, and all resources are protected. The Decentraland Foundation, which works and keeps up with the venture, led 2 reviews of the land-savvy agreements to guarantee the issue was settled. The land contract is pivotal in confirming exchanges of virtual properties on the advanced stage. Serious security breaks could prompt burglary of resources. Mana is the utility coin for Decentraland, an Ethereum blockchain-based metaverse. The Decentraland digital currency was exchanging around $1.2234 on 9 May, down 47.2% from a month prior. It has dropped 8% contrasted and a similar time the year before. The Mana coin esteem has been falling since hitting an untouched high at $5.80 on 25 November 2021. Is it safe to say that you are intrigued to find out about Decentraland coin future value pattern, viewpoint and experts' expectations? Peruse this investigation for the most recent Decentraland, Mana news and advancements in this metaverse. What is Decentraland, Mana? As indicated by the Tasks white paper, Decentraland is a decentralized augmented experience stage fueled by the Ethereum (ETH) blockchain. The stage, helped to establish by Ariel Milek and Esteban Ordano in 2015, was sent off in 2017 following a $24 million beginning coin offering, ICO. It was opened to public clients in February 2020. Mana, an ERC20 token, is the Decentraland utility cash. Clients can trade computerized land, labor and products utilizing the Mana coin. Clients can buy the restricted land in this computer-generated experience world and form resources into genuine homes. This thusly makes a center and drives production of content and administrations. As per Decentraland, unclaimed land can be bought at a similar conversion scale. 1000 mana equals 1 land. Landowners can exchange at various costs on an optional market in the virtual stage. After the acquisition of land with Mana tokens, the money will be scorched and another passage in the land library made. Decentraland is represented by a decentralized independent association, DAO, where Mana token holders control the plan and decision on strategies, for example, rules administering land sell-offs, and what sorts of content are permitted. Mana token data and new turn of events. As per CoinMarketCap, there are 1.84 billion Mana tokens available for use. Altogether, 40% of the Mana supply was sold during the 2017 ICO. Moreover, Decentraland is working with Matic to make a sidechain with less expensive and quicker exchange processes. The advantages of utilizing a sidechain are that occasions happen nearer to ongoing and for an extremely minimal price. Be that as it may, Decentraland encouraged its clients to utilize the safer Ethereum chain for additional significant exchanges. As of mid-2022, Decentraland sent off additional elements on its foundation, like the commercial center My Store, where content designers can deal with their resources, gather and dissect details and information for their things after some time. Allowing long-range interpersonal communication site Facebook's rebrand as Meta to zero in on the metaverse, numerous innovation organizations have made significant interests in the augmented simulation stage. For instance, Microsoft has carried out Mesh for Microsoft Teams, which permits individuals in various actual areas to join cooperative and shared holographic encounters. Does Mana Crypto have a future? As significant innovation organizations participated in the advancement of the metaverse, numerous financial backers held exclusive requirements for Decentraland and Mana coins. Notwithstanding, with an enormous volume of the coin held by whales, the visualization of the task could be driven by large financial backers. As indicated by information by cryptocurrency investigation supplier Into the Block, enormous financial backers' possessions of Mana coins represent 51% of the cryptographic money's absolute dissemination. Will Mana coin go up? Value predictions. Decentraland, Mana, crypto cost expectation, had the coin ascending in the following 10 years, coming to $97.43 by 2031. While tech news leader anticipated that Mana should be generally steady in 2022 and move to $39.95 by 2031. Note that investigators' forecasts can be off base and have been incorrect before. Will Decentraland, Mana, cost reach $10? Starting around 10 May, price prediction and tech news leader expected that Decentraland token cost could surpass $10 by 2025 and 2028. In any case, examiners' gauges can be off base. Continuously do your own exploration prior to money management. What number of Mana tokens are there? As indicated by CoinMarketCap, there are 1.84 billion Mana tokens available for use. It's muddled what the stock cap of tokens is. What amount will Decentraland be worth in 5 years? Value predictions. Mana cost investigation anticipated that the normal cost should reach $22.29 by 2027. Tech news leader figured the cost to hit $10.38, however, examiners' gauges can be off base and have been incorrect previously. Continuously do your own examination prior to money management. How does Mana function? Mana is Decentraland's digital money token. It is an ERC-20 token that you use to purchase plots of land and to pay for labor and products all over the planet. Whenever you purchase land, Decentraland consumes the Mana you got it with. For what reason does Mana increment? Because of the intrinsic idea of Mana, its portion of the metaverse is probably going to increment. A breakdown of the $3.6 support level will negate the bullish postulation. Why purchase Mana? Mana is the local badge of the Decentraland organization. It coincides with land, which is the other stage token. Know that Mana is an ERC-20 token, which makes it ideal for ventures as it is fungible. For example, it has similar attributes as different tokens and can without much of a stretch be exchanged. How to